Hey, what's up guys, I'm back here with another video. This video is just for showing to you guys my complete home solar system. So guys, as you can see, these are four PV panels, 300 watts of each, and these four are 1200 watt. So the one panel is 300 watt, and these fours are connected in parallel. As you can see, this is the polycrystalline, and now the sun is shining very well. Where is it? So as you can see, it's a sunny day, and these are the four solar panels connected in parallel. So the purpose of this video is just for showing you guys my home solar system setup. These are connected in parallel. Let me show you. As you can see, these are connected in parallel, and this is the 10 mm wire. This wire is going to inverter. So let me show you the inverter and the batteries that are connected to these solar PV panels. Let me show you. So guys, as you can see, these are the two batteries that are connected in series, and the inverter that is here, there is a solar inverter, pure power solar inverter. So this inverter is 500 watt. The maximum power is as you can see, here is 500 watt, 500 watt, and as you can see, it is now in backup mode. Now it's means it is working. Now it's working, and the output voltage is 227, and 619 is the output load watt. We have load on this inverter 800 to 900. So as you can see, this is 500 watt inverter, so, and it's 24 volt. This is 24 volt inverter, so we have to connect this batteries in series to give 24 volt. This one battery, each battery is 12 volts, so we have to connect this in series to give 24 volt, and this is 240 ampere. As you can see, one battery gives 240 ampere, and this wire, as you can see, this is coming from the solar panels, and that are connected to the inverter. And as you can see, here is the PV. The light indicates that the PV is the solar panels are connected to. As you can see, these lights indicates that the solar is connected to the inverter, and these lights indicates that the battery is fully charged. So when these lights blink, so it means that it is charging. When this keep glowing, so it means that it has charged the batteries. And this indicator is for fault or something. something going wrong or like this. So this fault LED is glows up. As you can see, it is now backup mode. Uh, when the electric source come, so it's automatically turned to line mode. Now it is backup mode. Now electricity has gone. Here in our country there is a load shedding of electricity, so that's why we have to use these inverters and PV panels. So guys, as you can see, this is my home solar system setup, and this batteries gives us approximately 5 to 6 hours of backup mode and with no difficulty. So when I'm talking about the night, on night it gives, as you can see, the batteries, it blinks, starts blinking. Now it's charging the batteries. When it glows up continuously, so it means that it has fully charged the batteries. Now the PV panels are charging the batteries, and when it's day, when it's sunny day, so it works on the solar panels. It doesn't tax from the batteries. It automatically turn into the solars, and the backup modes are working on the solar. So here is the button, automatically button. As you can see, when we turn this to solar, so it works on the solar, and when we turn into line, so it works on the line. Now it's on auto utility, so it is working. So guys, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, comments on it, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.